In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize your Asana projects and stay more organized. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Log In to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, no worries, you can easily set up an account by clicking on Get Started or Try for free. Getting into Asana and familiarizing yourself with the interface is the first step toward mastering project management. Now, if you're like many users, your Asana dashboard might be filled with projects of all kinds. It's a good time to take a step back and review these projects, focusing specifically on identifying those that are completed and no longer in active use. It's important to distinguish between projects that are ongoing and those that are finished to maintain clarity and focus on your current tasks. Once you've spotted the finished projects, it's time to clear up some space. Instead of leaving these completed projects to clutter your workspace, take advantage of Asana's archiving feature. Archiving allows you to preserve a record of these completed ventures without them being in your immediate view or bogging down your active project area. Now, if you're certain a project won't be needed again, perhaps it was a one-off event or a short-term task, go ahead and delete it. Just make sure that there's no important information you might need later before taking this step. Another stellar aspect of Asana is the use of sections. Instead of complicating your workflow by creating multiple separate projects for tasks that are related, utilize sections within a single project. This system allows you to compartmentalize related duties while maintaining a bird's eye view of everything, enhancing your organization and focus. By grouping related tasks together in sections, you're not only keeping your dashboard clean, but also more intuitive to navigate. Taking it further, break down your projects into tasks and subtasks instead of morphing each initiative into its standalone project. This breakdown is a practical way to manage workload while ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Assign clear deadlines and responsibilities for each task. This practice will streamline your workflow, providing clarity and efficiency. You're likely to find task management is much smoother when everyone knows their specific duties and timeline. Following these practices will not only help in staying organized, but also enhance productivity across your projects. By decluttering your workspace and structuring your projects smarter, you're setting yourself up for success. So dive into Asana and watch as your project management becomes more efficient and satisfying. Thanks for tuning in, and go forth toward a more organized and streamlined project workflow.